Kong'io motenore kod weche mag somo kowuok e limbe mar jatend piny Kenya e piny mar Amerika oyudo ni riwruok mag jopuonj mag sikunde sekondar miluongo ni Kenya Secondary School Heads Association KESSHA oyango ni matin ne 60% mag jopuonjre e gwenge ma Mai Mahiu pok ochopo e skul tok masira mar piola manotimore jumbe 3 mokalo. Gino ma bende osekelo dang'ni mar paro ne jopuonjre kod jonyuol makono. Giloso go jofwambo e sikund sekondar ma Ngea, jakom mar riwruogno e bade ma Nakuru Kinyanjui Mwangi owacho ni jotend sikunde mopogore opogore osetimo lokruok e wi chike mag skul kaluwore kod koth ma pod medo chwe. Jaod bura ma Naivasha Jen Kihara odwoko erokamano ne piny owacho kuom kony ma gisechiwo kendo lero ni nyaka sani gichiwo kony ne jopuonjre maromo 100 ka gichulo negi omenda mag somo kod miyogi gigo ma gitiyo godo e skul.
We had come here to support those that were affected, especially the families that could not take their children back to school because their properties were swept away and they lost almost everything. So we thought, yes, the calamity has happened, but what next? So for us, we are looking at the future. We need to bring them back to life and also secure their future, because we cannot stop what has happened before.
We have departments of guidance and counseling in the various schools, and we tasked them to do the guidance and counseling, which has been done. And I also want to thank other agencies that have also been coming to schools, especially this school. There was a tent that was set there. I know some of you have been here. There was a tent that was set there for that purpose, and they have really assisted, and the students are raring to go.
Initially, I may not know the numbers, but what we have decided is that we go looking for them. There are those ones who are said to have been so traumatized that you can't even remember where your desk was, you can't remember how you are doing things. So the principals have also promised psychosocial support, which we are also doing. We are getting people, experts to do that.